Soup. Oh my goodness, it's coming straight from the freezer. It is freezing. Like, I can feel even the weight. Here goes. Hi guys, so I just got out of the shower for the second time. And it's ready for it to be plated. My hair looks. This is how my hair looks, guys. So guys, I've been waiting for almost forever, waiting for this mixture to set. Okay, it's now a bit creamy. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video. Yes. Oops. It's still watery, very watery. But I cannot wait anymore. I think I've learned, some things you learn in the process. I've learned that next time I do these things prior so that it doesn't waste time, because time is not really on my side. That's why I was even forced to squeeze in hot stuff. Now I had to put it to set, and it's taking time. So next time I'll do it like maybe a day before or some days before, so that the process won't be longer. So what I've done here is I've sectioned my hair into 4 parts, and I'm just going to apply my prepoo. And one other thing, guys, I took time whilst I was waiting for this to set. I took time to file my nails. I needed to make sure that my nails do not have any rough edges, because if you have rough edges, they're going to tangle with your hair and pull on your hair, breaking it as well. And your natural hair is precious. You do not want any of it breaking unnecessarily. So I took time to really file my nails, so all the edges of my nails are nice and smooth. They won't be pulling on my hair. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to apply the stuff on my hair. Okay, we'll start with the back. This stuff hasn't really set. I'm not sure how much it was going to set, but I think it's workable. I can work with it. This is messy. I just wanted to show you guys. And it's so cold. Oh my goodness, it's coming straight from the freezer. It is freezing. This stuff is cold. Hi. The price that you pay for long hair. So I'm just opening lines and applying this. Imagine the kind of shock my hair is getting having this cold stuff applied on it. It is really messy. it really feels so good on the hair. Like, I think my hair is loving this. This is like a nice treat to it. I'm giving it a nice treat. I can feel even the way it's responding to this. Okay, let me just hurry up and do the rest of the head. Okay, so I have done all the 3 sections. I'm only left with this one. Yes, the stuff is so messy. Oops. I'm done applying the stuff to my hair. So plastic bag. Is my plastic cap, and then I'll leave this for some time. I think I'm going to leave it for an hour. This is just the prepoo. I'm going to leave it for an hour, guys. So I had forgotten that I have the dryer hoodie, so I'm actually going to take it for a spin and see how it goes. It might actually make life easier for me and make this process, this prepooing process, shorter. So this is how it looks. It is like the cap hoodie thingy, and it is this long pipe like thingy. So that's where I'm going to insert my blower. Right, I'm just going to insert it inside here. Okay. And the funny part of all this is they are both Safeway products. So this is my hoodie that my friend got me. And from the things and the tutorials I've been checking out on YouTube, they said you should put it on low. So because I don't want to get my ears bent or heat on my ears, I'm just going to put on my big bonnet as well, so that it covers my ears. Let me just make sure it's sitting on just the... Okay, what is this for? Okay. It is those things that you can buckle. Am I buckling these things correctly? How do you buckle up? Oh yeah. Okay. I'm just going to put it on one. Here goes. Guys, a quick product review. So this hair dryer wood, you know, there's like a lot of it at the ends. It's a bit hot, so that's why I'd even like put my bonnet covering my ears and made sure the wood is set on the bonnet and did not come in contact with any of my skin. And as I was using it, I discovered my ears were becoming so hot, so I pulled those out of the bonnet. That kind of helped it to be a bit better. And I've set a timer for 1 hour. So what I'm doing is I do 5 minutes of blowing, then 5 minutes of switching it off and just give it time to cool off, because you really do feel the heat. I really hope it's worth the trouble. So yeah, that's my opinion about this hoodie. Let's just see the results once I'm done. Hi guys, so it's been an hour, actually 30 minutes, because I've been alternating 5 minutes of switching it on, 5 minutes of switching it off, because it can be really hot. It was difficult for me to just sit with the hoodie dryer for a continuous 30 minutes, so that's what I was doing. So one other thing that has worked for me is, like I said, I did not place this thing, especially the hem of it, on my skin. It is sitting on my bonnet, and I've also placed tissue paper around my ears, which I also took out of the bonnet because it was becoming very hot, and it made it endurable. I did not feel that much heat. So I'm just going to take this off. Oh wow, there's a lot of oil on it. Oil also went on it. I think I have to clean it like properly when I get a chance. Okay, so let's see the end result. The oil is melting. This is all oil. It's just been melting and melting and melting. There goes the tissue paper. Oh yeah. I can even still feel the warmth. Okay. Wow. This is something. Woo! Oh goodness. This stuff is dripping all over. It is so messy. Oh, but my hair feels nice. I can tell that my hair enjoyed this prepoo. So I'm going to go and shampoo this off, and then I'll come and do the other part. stay tuned. Guys, so I'm done washing my hair. Yeah, it feels so good, and I think my hair is really liking these treatments. It likes the treatment I did, this prepoo. So it's a bit damp. So I'm just wiping off some of the water so that I'll be able to work with it. So first things first, I am going to section it into 4, getting ready to apply the deep conditioner. Okay, so I'm done sectioning my hair into 4 parts. So I'm going to apply the Originals Hair Mayonnaise Deep Conditioner. Guys, so I'm going to use the woody dryer again for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is how I am going to do it. Okay, big bonnet. I'm pulling out my ears and putting tissue paper around them. Because I noticed these are the parts that actually get so hot. I've set my time on 10 minutes. So I try to do like a 10-minute stretch under the wearing the hoodie, hair dryer hoodie. Oh, that didn't work. I just ended up doing 5 minutes and I took a 5-minute break. So I'm going to do the remaining 5 minutes and I'll be done and I'll go and wash my hair. So it's time up. It's been 10 minutes. Let's see how it looks. Okay, interesting. Mm. Oops. So this is how my hair looks. This is how my hair looks. So I'm going to go wash this with lukewarm water and I'll come and show you the results. Hi guys, so I just got out of the shower for the second time. This price for growing hair, it is proving to be very, very costly. So this is how my hair looks after washing off the deep conditioner. This is how it looks. The shrinkage is real, people. I cannot wait for it to grow. So I'm going to apply some of this Demasol hair and scalp cream. At this point, should I blow my hair or should I roller set it? I have not really decided what to do with. I'm trying to minimize using heat as much as I can. And then at the same time, I am so tired, guys. I've been busy with this vlogging since 10 in the morning and it's now 24 minutes to 6, guys. And that's all I've been doing. So yeah, I am going to put my hair into 4 sections. This time around it's something else because it has really shrunk, but I'll try to put my hair into 4 sections so that I can oil it properly. At this point, all my other scrunchies are wet. I've washed them because the first set I used it for the prepoo, and then I used the second set for the deep conditioning, so they are all dirty and wet. Okay, I'm just going to section it. So my hair is moisturized and my scalp is moisturized and oiled, and it's ready for it to be plaited. Hi guys, so this is the following morning. I managed to do my hair last night. I do not have footage of that because really this vlog would have been very, very long, but I've done a vlog on how I do this kind of hairstyle. So if you can just go watch that video and then you'll be able to know how I do this kind of hairstyle. So this is the outcome. This is how my hair looks. This is how my hair looks, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, put your comments in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye.